Guys, welcome to Noteartener. In this video I'm showing you how you can create a playlist on YouTube. So firstly, when you are on the home page and while watching any videos, you want to add the videos into your playlist, or you want to create a playlist, you have to simply tap on the three dots right in the bottom right corner of the video, and then you can find the save to playlist option. Tap on this, and in the top right corner of this menu you can see the new playlist. Tap on the new playlist. You can give your playlist a new title, like anything. You can give this playlist, and then you can see the privacy. You can set the privacy public, unlisted, or private, and then you can simply tap on the create button, and now the playlist is created. Here you can see in the bottom it is saying that a playlist is created. But when you are on the subscription feed, you can simply follow this same process. You can simply tap on the three dots, and then you can simply tap on the save to playlist. But when you are watching any videos, you can create playlist by simply you can see here this pop-up menu, then tap on the save button, and when you again tapping on this save button, then it will bring all this option. Then here you can see new playlist option. Then you can simply give your playlist a name. You can set your privacy, and then tap on the create button. Now playlist has been created. So that's it, that how you can create your playlist on YouTube. So when you go to the library section right here, by tapping on the bottom right corner, you can find all this playlist. So that's it, that how you can create your playlist on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, you can subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends.